I'll show you how the freaking rigs work. Let me open the Scar reload I've been working on. I'm sure it most likely has this thing I used the rig for. You see, whenever you render the rig, and if you have it and hide it like this, the red stuff will show up in the render. So, hold on. Come on. See, it shows up. So, usually before I start animating anything with these rigs, I double click the little thing right here and select the whole arm, and then in here I'll type in left hand. So next time I use it, I can just click and select the whole thing and hide it, or click and select the whole thing and unhide it, like this. Now, the problem you're having with your thumb moving, you see how right here it stays in one spot, and you see how I got these frames? If I was to delete those two frames, the hand would move. And the way to fix that is you select the hand, you move this, you hold down shift and drag the frame over here, then you go to your last frame, hold shift and drag this frame here, and now the hand will stay in the same spot. Now see, to demonstrate this, I can make it stay in one spot. You see how the hand, hold on, you see how the hand stays in one spot right now? If I was to delete these two frames, watch, the hand will move and then snap back. So you hold shift and move here, and then hold shift and move here, and it stays in the same spot. I'm not sure about doing it every time, but yeah. And right here, you see these green things? This is what I use to link constrain, because whenever I move it, the hand falls. And if you need like to set a key, you see that the key doesn't set if you click this. You need to go under the motion tab and go to key info under the biped and click this button, and it will set a key. Now if you need to copy a position of the hand, like I want to copy the way he's holding the mag here to the finger, the way his fingers are in this frame to some other frame, you can go under copy paste and then hit, make sure you select everything that you want to copy and hit copy posture, and then go to whatever frame and say, on this frame I'll move the hand over here, but and I want to go back on this frame, be the position it was, I can hit paste poster and it'll return back. Yeah, and I'm not gonna save this. No. Reload phone. Let's see if I remember if there's anything else that I need to show you about the rig. Yes, don't forget to hide and unhide it. What else is different about this? Oh, the rig I send you on, these things right here do not appear. I usually use these to, if I need to move the hands over, or if I need to move the whole thing. And this is the problem with this biped rig. If you were to go over here and you move this like this and then rotate it, it will set a key, right? Everything. But when you go to source time and then you say 0, only thing it will set a key for is rotation, because I have the rotation tool out. Now if I wanted to set a key up and left and right, you got to click on these arrows, hit source time 0, and it'll set the key on left and right. Now you click up and down and hit source time 0, and it'll set it back to where it was. That's about it. And to return the hand to a final position, I usually after when I want to return back to normal, I usually right click on here and put destination time in the very last frame, and go over there and just drag it to wherever you want it to end, and then do the little stutter frames, and that's it.